Hi, I'm Peter Olivetti. This is Olivetti Bicycle Company in Boulder, Colorado. I'm going to give you a quick tour around my shop, which is pretty small but gets all the work done. Right here is one of my fabrication tables where I do a lot of bending, layouts, punches, and all sorts of other stuff. So it's a great little spot where I do much of the work. Here are some of the bikes that we've made here at the shop. We've got a road bike, gravel bike, a very popular bike, Thunder Pig, which is a mountain bike. Here's my welder, which is what I use obviously to weld the bikes. And then right around the corner here is my frame jig, which is where once I fabricate all the tubing, it will go into the jig, get tacked, and then once everything's good and aligned, it'll come out of the jig and I'll do final weld and do an alignment check outside for it, and it'll be ready to go to paint. Two favorite pieces of machinery. These are my two Nichols Mills. They're from 1952. They run on my American rotary converter. The one here on the left is the one that I do all my smaller tubes on, like chain stays, seat stays, and little other tubes that I need to do. And then this one does all my main tubes, so it'll do the front triangle of the bike. And they've been both very trusty and super accurate, which is awesome. And that is pretty much the 10-cent tour of Olivetti Bicycle Company. Thanks for stopping by, and if you want, you can check me out online at www.obikeco.com or follow me on Instagram at obikeco.